Players must control the temperature carefully. If the heat rises too high, the mixture becomes unstable. Be extra cautious and stay aware of your surroundings. Careless action could draw unwanted attention, as you may be under surveillance by the police. Stay aware of your surroundings, communicate discreetly, and avoid behavior that could raise suspicion.